You demand excellence from your coffee, but garbage from your character. You send back cold food, but accept cold effort from yourself. You expect others to be on time while you run late. You want perfect service while giving broken promises. You critique their appearance while neglecting your own body. The world owes you quality, but you owe yourself nothing. This is why you stay disappointed. External standards rise while internal standards fall. You become a harsh judge of others and a gentle friend to your own weakness. The restaurant must be perfect. Your discipline can be terrible. The product must work flawlessly. Your consistency can be broken. You have created a double standard that guarantees suffering. High expectations for the world, low expectations for yourself. What if you flipped this? What if you demanded from yourself what you demand from everything else? What if your character had to meet the same standards as your morning coffee? The marble expects nothing from the world and everything from itself. That's the marble mindset.